Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into Clock app. Following that, choose Alarm section at the top over here and create your own by choosing this plus icon. Then set up an hour. Now you need to click on repeat and tap on the best option for you. Once daily, Monday to Friday or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can select days of the week manually and save them by choosing OK. Then click on this switcher next to vibrate phone alarm sounds to switch off or on this feature and click on label. Now you can label your alarm however you wish to if you wish to. Save it by choosing OK and click on Ringtone. Now you can select one of those melodies or tap on All ringtones. Then select Choose Local One and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on one of those sources, clicking on the song and tapping on OK. Then choose Apply next to it and tap on OK in the pop-up. You can also apply one of those by tapping on Apply next to the chosen one and choosing OK again. Then select the back button twice, 3 times, and finally save your alarm by choosing the check mark at the top right corner. Then select Allow one more time, and as you can see after that, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it and select one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. To edit your alarm, click on it, select additional settings and make your changes. Then save them by clicking on this check mark at the top right corner. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it, select the delete icon at the bottom, and now it's gone. In order to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner, select settings and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!